Hello, today. Let's make a delicious cappuccino using the Bosch Tassimo Happy coffee making machine. The Tassimo hot beverage system is a consumer single-serve coffee system that prepares 1 cup serving of espresso, regular coffee, tea, hot chocolate, and various other coffee drinks. And now we are going to perform the cappuccino way of it. Cappuccino. That sounds great. This is an espresso-based coffee drink, traditionally prepared with steamed milk, including a layer of milk foam. Variations of the drink involve the use of cream instead of milk, using non-dairy milk substitutes, and flavors where cocoa powder in Europe and Australia, for example, or cinnamon in the United States and South Korea. It is a typical small in volume that of a coffee latte, and topped with a thick layer of foam rather than being made with microfoam. And to operate a cappuccino, because a cappuccino comes with 2 layers, on a Tassimo hot beverage system, we have to need or to use 2 discs for that. That's not so a good thing for the nature, of course, but it is good for a beverage because it tastes really good. First thing is, of course, as you can see, we are going to produce the foam and the milk components of our delicious cappuccino. And the second layer will be the espresso. So, how we perform this? You take the disc, and the disc comes with a coat on top. And we go and make upside down of the disc and get this into the machine. The machine has a scanner which gives the information about this code to our machine, and it will be prepared and serve as the beverage. We push the button to start that second layer now, and the machine now is performing a cappuccino topping by using an espresso. The espresso will dip through the milk and gets there into position. And on top, there is a big area with a frothed milk. And if you have a bigger cup, for example, and you like to add more beverage into it, volume, you push and hold a little bit this button to make an extra cup or a little bit more of delicious cappuccino, of course. After you've performing is done, we have to remove the tea disc out of it, and we can throw it into the recycle bin, of course. And then we are ready. After 3 up to 4 minutes, there is a fresh cappuccino ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.